this is Caesar 4.26.4. Now Caesar's trying to find a way to cope with the situation on the beachhead. Quod cum animad verticit Caesar. When Caesar had noticed this. Now, quote, as often is the case, this refers back to a previous discussion that we had been having. So you don't see what it's referring back to, but he often starts a sentence with the relative pronoun as a reference point. When Caesar had noticed this, look at that pluperfect subjunctive. That's a beaut. Yes, indeed. In a circumstantial clause there. Lovely. And then the rest, ooh, it gets kind of blurry here. Where's the verb? All right. This is what we're going to do. We're going to try to get the context by just doing a vocabulary scan. And especially with these weird words that you would have to look up. So I've already looked them up. This means skafos, that's skiffs or rowboats or dories, or just small boats. So the skiffs of the long boats or battleships, likewise the, let's see, this speculatoria navigia means the ships that go looking. So they're the reconnaissance ships, to the soldiers, by the soldiers. Oh, okay, present passive infinitive. To be filled, he ordered. Okay, so now that you've seen all the vocab, we can start to put it together. We know that Yusit really gets things going here. Caesar ordered, and here's your dio. It's accusative plural. He ordered the skiffs of the longboats, and likewise, he ordered the reconnaissance ships to be filled with soldiers, and that's ablative of personal agent, or means. In this case, it's personal agent because it's a person, and you often see that with a passive verb form, which we have right here, present passive infinitive. Yep. And actually, right here, we can put a big fat period. That could be a whole sentence, a cut right there. Yes, indeed. Okay. Then we can start this one. And let's see. Who, struggling, he had seen. Okay, let's just keep that a little bit. To these reinforcements he was sending for help. All right, you can see how this fits together. And he would send them to help those whom he had seen struggling as reinforcements. So this relative clause here, here's your relative pronoun. The antecedent is his. There's your ante. And it agrees with his in number, plural, gender, masculine. In this instance, his is the dative indirect object with submittebat. He was sending reinforcements to them. And the quos is the direct object of conspexerat, the guys that he saw struggling. And here is your present active participle, laborantes. Very nice there, very nice. And again, Caesar's using this imperfect. He did this over and over. It was habitual.